Hey everyone, welcome back to Hexly blog. Today we're starting our complete HTML course. And in this first video, we're answering two important questions. What is HTML and how do websites actually work? By the end of this video, you'll understand the foundation of everything you'll build on the web. So let's get started. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's not a programming language. Instead, it's a markup language used to structure and organize content on the web. HTML tells the browser what is a heading, what is a paragraph, where images go, and how content is arranged on a web page. Every website you've ever visited uses HTML. Whether it's Google, YouTube, Facebook, or any small personal website, HTML is always working behind the scenes. Now let's understand how websites actually work. When you type a website address into your browser, your device sends a request to a server. That server responds by sending files back to your browser. The most important file is the HTML file. The browser reads the HTML code and converts it into a visual web page. It understands tags like headings, paragraphs, links, images, tables, forms, and more. Everything you see on a web page begins with HTML. Here's a simple example of HTML. The H1 tag creates a heading, and the P tag creates a paragraph. These are called HTML tags, and they tell the browser how to display content. Throughout this course, you'll learn many different tags and how to use them properly. So why should you learn HTML? Because HTML is the foundation of web development. If you want to build websites, create portfolios, design landing pages, or move on to CSS and JavaScript, HTML is the first step. Once you understand HTML, everything else becomes easier. That's it for this video. In the next lesson, we'll set up our coding environment and create our first HTML file from scratch. If you're excited to learn HTML, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Hexly blog, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next lesson. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.